So now we are moving on to project number 3, which is our random quote generator. And now you can see that we have this generate quote, random quote generator. When we click this, nothing happens. That's fine. Okay, so first things first, we need some quotes. Now I'm just gonna copy in a bunch of these. In our case, when we're gonna be generating these quotes, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the index of quotes that we've already used inside of the set so that we can check really quickly if we've already used that quote or not. So if I try to access quotes at index 10, we're gonna get an error. It's gonna tell us that this index doesn't exist. So what I'm doing is I'm saying, okay, well, we'll generate a random number between, and this is gonna be 0 and 1, and multiply it by the quotes.length. The thing is, it's never gonna actually be 1. The most it will be is like 0.9999999, whatever, right? So when we take that and we multiply it by quotes.length, we might end up getting something like 9.9999999, okay? If that's the case, we simply take that value and we round it down to 9, and now we're getting the last quote, as opposed to if we were just to round it, it would round up to 10, and then we'd be trying to access an index that doesn't exist, okay? So that's why I'm using floor. There's also a seal that will round it up. Okay, so now let's run this, and it starts giving us random quotes. However, you'll see that sometimes we'll get the same quotes and like pretty close together because we don't have that other component that we're gonna implement now.